I'm about to expose how AI influencers have been earning hundreds of thousands of dollars in passive income for people just like you with affiliate marketing. And most importantly, how you can set up one of these AI influencers for yourself. So go ahead and comment yes on this video right now if you are ready for AI to take your job. Of course, that's assuming you get to keep all of the money. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and all you really need to know about me is that before I started making money online, I used to spend 70 hours per week delivering packages for UPS. But now I have no boss and no schedule. I only spend a couple hours per day working, and I make more money working less time doing what I'm going to be showing you in this video. So if that's something you're interested in, be sure to click the bright red subscribe button down below so that you see more content like this in the future. But I don't want to waste any more time. I want to show you exactly how I've been earning tens of thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions using simple AI tools that anyone can get their hands on. In fact, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your hands on these tools and how to start making money with them. So like I said, comment yes on this video if you are ready for AI to take your job and do the work, and you just get to keep the money. And be sure to stay until the end of the video to get a free course on exactly step by step how to make your first $10,000 online. All right, so with that out of the way, let's get into the exact steps for making money with AI influencers. Step one is to register for affiliate programs. Obviously, if you want to make money online, you need something to promote. So I've made this super easy for you. All you have to do is head to copythelist.com, and you can click one of these two buttons to make a copy of my list of what I think are the most profitable and easy to promote affiliate programs in the online space, in the AI automation and software world. And what's cool about a lot of these offers is they're recurring each month, which means that if somebody signs up through your link and they pay for one of these tools, they're going to keep paying every month, which means you get paid every month, which is a really easy way to build a recurring online income. So like I said, that's at copythelist.com. When you head there, you click one of these two green buttons. You can either copy this to your Google Sheets account, to your Google account, or you can download it to your device. So either way, you don't have to opt in, you don't have to give me your email, you don't have to do anything. Just head here, copy the list, and then that's the first step, is to, as it says here, just click the link for the tool you want to promote, register as an affiliate, and then we're going to be sharing the link where interested people will click, buy the product, and make you money. Pretty simple so far. If you agree, comment yes down below on this video. Just let me know that you're with me. So that's step one. Register for affiliate programs. That way you have something to promote. You have something that can actually make you money online. So step two is to then create AI content using the tools from the list. Like I said, there are a ton of different AI and automation tools that you can use at copythelist.com, but one I want to point out in particular is the one available at oneclickvids.com. Again, we want to create AI content because we want to make money as an AI influencer. We want the AI influencer making money for us. So an easy way to do that is to create AI content using oneclickvids.com. So if we take a look here, oneclickvids.com is a faceless video tool that is going to let you create AI videos. You'll be able to set up an AI avatar and do text to speech and all of that kind of stuff so that you can create completely automated videos. So again, that's at oneclickvids.com, and this is just one of the many tools on this list that you can use to create AI content, to automate the stuff you do to make money online. So super simple. You've registered for an affiliate program, then you're going to create some AI content about whatever product you're promoting from this list. And so then step three is to set up a landing page and an AI email sequence. So the tool I use to do that is at funnelsforever.com, but what I want to show you is how this whole system works. So if we jump ahead to the next step, step four is to automate content posting posting across multiple platforms and accounts. And of course, we have a tool here to do that as well. But I want to show you how all of this works together so that you can really see this and visualize it and understand how you can get started. So in this first column, I have this represents a phone screen. These are just all crude drawings here, but this is a crude drawing of a phone screen because I like to use short video to get traffic again, and you can create these short videos using oneclickvids.com. So these are AI generated videos, and I have several of them here in a column because I'm going to be posting one of these videos per day. You know, it only takes me a few minutes, 5 or 10 minutes to create one of these videos. I can spare 5 or 10 minutes a day to make money online. So that's what I do. I post these videos, and then what I do is I use these videos to promote an opt-in page. Now the opt-in page is what triggers the AI email sequence. So if I'm getting a little bit ahead of you, don't worry. I'm going to show you exactly how to set all this up. I just want you to see how this works. So we have AI generated videos that are sending traffic into an opt-in page, a landing page, and then what happens is we have a sequence of AI generated emails that are going to go out on a daily basis and actually send out our affiliate links. These are the links to the products that make us money. Remember, from the money making links spreadsheet here, which is available at copythelist.com. You head to copythelist.com, register for as an affiliate for whichever one of these tools you want to promote, and then if you look at the diagram here, so we spend 5 or 10 minutes creating a video using AI, or you could do this manually, of course. We send that traffic to an opt-in where people opt in to get emails from us, and then we send AI generated emails with affiliate links out to the people on our list every day, and as people buy these products, we end up making money. So that's basically how the system works. So let's just continue here with the steps. Like I said, you'll need to set up a landing page and an automated email sequence, and the tool I use to do that you can grab at funnelsforever.com, and the reason I like this tool is they make it super simple. So I'm not going to go over the landing page tutorial in this video. If you want to see that, like I said, just make sure you subscribe to my channel, and you can click this search button here and you can find landing page tutorials on my channel where I'll show you how to set that up. But what I want to show you is what happens next and how easy this is. So if I click edit, you can see here I'm under the sequence tab. And in this sequence tab, the very first box here says trigger, and it's a form. So if we look at our sketch here, that is this. This is the form, right? Somebody's going to come, they're going to put this email in this box because they want to, in this case, get AI, but this can be whatever offer you're promoting. They'll click this button, and then they've subscribed to my email sequence. So that's all this is a form for people to say, yes, I want these emails. And then if I scroll down here, you can see there's a time delay. So to set up one of these delays, I literally just click this button here, and it adds this to my chain, and then we're going to send an email. And of course we can create these emails using ChatGPT. So I'm literally just going to click a button here, and ChatGPT is going to write me 5 emails that I can use to promote the products on this list here of money making links available at copythelist.com. So there you can see in just a few seconds, ChatGPT wrote me 5 emails that I can use to promote these affiliate offers. So it's even from me here to your success, James Jernigan. So all I have to do is copy this, come over here into the email sequence, and then click edit here and edit this email, or I can click send email and just add another one to this list. And this can go on and on and on for as long as you want. Mine is currently about 30 days. It's currently a 30-day sequence or so, and I add to it all the time. So yours can be as long as you want. But if you are following the process here, we spend a few minutes per day creating AI videos, and these videos get posted every day. And so if we look here on my YouTube channel, I actually post most of my AI content to other accounts, but you can see here I have a few on my channel here. Here's an AI video recently with 448 views. That's 448 people seeing this offer that can potentially make me money. From just a few minutes of work using a tool like oneclickvids.com to create AI content and then again just send that traffic into a simple landing page that again takes us about 10 minutes to set up. And then the AI emails, again, we're just copying and pasting these. So what, another in an hour you could set up a month's worth of emails. And obviously these emails are then sending affiliate links out to subscribers. And of course, it's super easy to become an affiliate. You just head to copythelist.com, copy this list to your Google Sheets, or download it directly to your device. Then you're going to go through, figure out which one of these tools you think will resonate with your audience, or that you can talk about every day, or that you can feed into an AI tool like oneclickvids.com. Regardless of how you do it, you're going to need to get some content pumped out, and then basically the rest of this runs on autopilot to make you money online. So that is the basic process for making money online with AI influencers and affiliate marketing so that you can earn passive income. That's the dream, right? Make money while you sleep. And if that is something you're interested in, like I said, be sure to subscribe to this channel. And then if you want to actually take action on this, I would recommend grabbing my free checklist and free course from ProfitPassively.com. If you head to ProfitPassively.com, you will be able to grab my step-by-step checklist. It's another spreadsheet that's going to walk you through exactly what you need to start doing to get one of these automated systems set up for yourself so that you can start earning tens of thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions. So really all you have to do is follow the steps on this checklist, and this hasn't only worked for me, this has worked for hundreds of other people who I've helped with this process. So if you're ready to get started and be one of the next people to start making thousands of dollars with AI influencers and affiliate marketing, then you know what to do. Head to ProfitPassively.com, grab the free checklist and the free course, and I hope you make a ton of money online. Other than that, I hope to see you in the next AI money making video.